Look at this, y'all. Look at this. So y'all, basically what I'm about to be doing, I'm about to smash up this sandwich. So y'all see how high this is like that? So I ain't even gonna take it out the pack. I'm gonna just smash it up as much as I can. And by the time I'm done, I'm about to just beat the hell out of the sandwich, period. So we got us our little drinks or whatever right here. So once he get in the car, I'm gonna just play it off because I know he's gonna be trying to figure out what the hell happened to his sandwich. So y'all, basically, let me smash this up. So yeah, that typically sums it. Y'all see how flat that is? I'm gonna do it a little bit more. There. This for you crunching up my tacos. I had to do it to him. Y'all. So y'all, once he get in the car, I'm already had a camera set up and stuff like that. And once he open his sandwich, y'all gonna see the result. Period. So let me put his sandwich back down because mine was on top, and I'm gonna just put his back down here like ain't nothing ever happened. Period. So y'all, I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, y'all. Say something about you. The way what you took shit. Oh, why you just supposed to information? I'm hungry too. With Burger King. Okay. Go follow up with Burger King and you explain.
It's no way.
So the same thing that you saying to me and you trying to shit talk and say something to me, you need to say that to them.
I'm nowhere in here. Look at how going to.
Don't come for my damn food.
You doing all that over sandwich?
You might want to stop playing. Don't come over here for my damn food. You wasn't expecting that. You thought I was gonna let you take my shit.
They did stuff ridiculous, bro.
I don't see nothing wrong with it.
How you don't see nothing wrong with the sandwich though? And where the rest of the meat at?
Shit, I don't. No, I'm trying to see what you asking me for. Like I made the food.
I don't be trusting you though.
How you don't be trusting me? We literally both just pulled our stuff out of the bag.
Oh, look at my sandwich though.
Yeah, it is floppy shit. Ah. It's probably the one that you got. And then you all that salt. So when you got salt and stuff all over your food, that's what happens. You got salt and stuff everywhere. Yeah, but that's a different type of burger.
Yeah, I you know, when I'm not with you all the time, that's all I eat is fast food. You know, when you can, before I even get to the house, I get food already, I just eat more.
Okay? Now that explains it. That's just not good. Keep looking at the stuff. Because something going on with your damn food. They don't have nothing to do with it.
Yeah, but they would know it's for me though.
What?
They would know it's for me.
You tell them the lie for I know. Never mind what?
You need to get this shit. You need to get this shit.
But why the hell you smash the shit up like that for?
I'm getting tired of this stuff, dog. What's funny about it? But I'm still gonna eat it.
You gonna smash the shit. So you smash the damn food and the baby all flopping around. continue to do something like you was gonna do anyway.
You don't know nothing.
You gonna sit in the bowl the same. So I'm gonna ask you again. Did you enjoy your smash up sandwich?
I'm eating what you're not gonna eat it. I'm not eating it because
But that was a nice beat up ass sandwich. I do doing all that sandwich. What?
So you did this for my son?
You did what? You beat it up?
You did this for my son?
Yeah. That's when you taking all damn late day to come back out to the bar.
I'll be wrong if I choke you up, man.
I don't care. I'll swallow all my food down.
But I'll be wrong if I choke you up. So they was not
Yeah, but I'm gonna choke you up back.
you ain't got nothing. You choke me with. I got something that's gonna choke you.
What?
You see? No one's about to choke tonight.
Yeah, but you saying this and saying that, but you still for that sandwich.
Yeah, I don't have nothing to do with it though.
So that, when I had seen this, I'm like, man, that's like,
Nigga, what's a good song? Until you feel it.
I ain't feeling with nothing. All I did was punch you. I would beat the hell out of that sandwich.
You just keep that in mind tonight. Yeah, you wrong for that though.
First off, I smashed it up. You know, I was like, no, fuck that. I'll put it right here.
No.
Y'all already know. I'm gonna be cranking his ass on. He gonna be pissed. He gonna be pissed. Y'all know how he is about his Popeye joint. Y'all should already know how Dude is about his Popeye. And y'all, I got all my things. I got me some citrus, I got me my little sauce. And then I got me some the side I got fried. But y'all, we gonna get his reaction. I'm about to get y'all. Y'all, I'm coming with bangers, y'all. I'm coming with bangers. Period. And y'all, we ain't forgot about y'all. We gonna do a little story time / yeah, a little story time. But we gonna do a little story time, y'all. Y'all give us, y'all be patient. Be patient. I did make a little post. Y'all be patient with us. We got y'all. We gonna let y'all know what happened. And yeah, we gonna go from there. But y'all already know that if you like, comment, subscribe, turn them bells on. Y'all already know. Team motherfucking B. Shit. Okay, y'all, so I done made it back, y'all. So I'm gonna put his little mirror right there, y'all. Got my Popeyes. He should be coming out. I don't know what. He be sitting there trying to talk about me. Okay, he coming out, y'all. So I got my wing.
Appreciate it. What you doing?
Dude, what are you doing?
Food, dude.
Let my food go.
You know,
Let me dish the food out.
Okay, come on. I can't do nothing with this apple juice, and I don't even drink apple juice.
Anybody never said nothing about you drink apple juice. Here.
Then this not my meal.
You want to open it?
This not my meal. Can I get the Popeye and stop playing these?
No.
What you being all defensive for with some chicken and food? Who food is this though?
Here, let me get some.
Who food is this? This not my food?
Here.
Dude, this is not my food though. You're not about to just play in my face though.
Some organic apple juice.
Shit, that's even worse. Organic apple juice.
Okay?
I'm not eating this though.
Here.